Lego. Original. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Maulana. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my little world on the internet. If you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you as always for your support. I couldn't possibly be here without you guys. Like I said, if you follow me on the socials, Instagram, Facebook, I am trying to figure out my my relationship with makeup and kind of grow my know-how, my knowledge of makeup, what works for me, what doesn't, so that when I come to you guys, you know, I know a little bit more. Right now I feel like I'm a C+ student and I'm trying to move that to like A+. So in today's video I am going to be centering my makeup look on the on two of my favorite and brand new Morphe palettes. Also the look is very much centered on the Connell Brown matte bounce powder, matte powder, ultra matte lipsticks from Maybelline. Like, this is a limited edition from their lippies and I'm very excited about trying this look out and just seeing what kind of a look I can just get from these two things. So this look is very much centered on the Morphe palettes that I got recently, so please do enjoy the video, right? And stay tuned. Okay, I'm now going to follow that by using my LA Girl Pro Conceal Pro Primer. I have found that if you have any suggestions on what primers I could also use, please let me know. I found that other primers that is like using a concealer sometimes for my primers actually makes my eyelids crease, and so I just like this because it's almost mattifying, and once you blend it into your face, into your eyes, your shadows actually really just melt into the skin, so they stay as well. So yeah, that's why I love using these. So I'm just going to blend that. I said I want this to be a very nude look, at least that's what I'm going for. Let's just hope that's what's going to come out. Okay, so ta-da! Drum roll please. This is the Morphe 3502 palette. And can you just see all these warm tones? It's so warm toned. I love every single color in here. You've got your transition colors, you've got your matte powders, you also have your shimmers. They're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 shimmer powders, and then the rest are matte. I love this palette. It was a good spend. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow palette here. This is like a nude brown, like a light nude brown, more skin tone like, and this is called Universal. I'm going to just use that as my transition color. So just
trying to make a million, spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hitter, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me the hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down, man down. Is a man down, bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day.
To go into the corners of my eyes with this color here, and this is contour. So I'm just going to take that, just swirl, tap, tap, swirl, tap, tap. So I swirl and tap whenever I'm taking my colors, and I'm going to focus that color in the corner of my eye.
Lego. Original.
To go into my eye with these two colors. This is like toast and this is muddy. They're like a very muddy, cool toned brown, and the reason is because I really want like a nude but cool toned look. Not too cool, because I mean at the end of the day I am olive toned, so you don't want to end up looking very out of place. The brush that I'm going in with is flat, and y'all know I'm trying this out. I actually have no idea what this is going to look like, and one of the reasons is, guys, when it comes to eyeshadow, it's all trial. When it comes to eyeshadow, it's basically just trial and error for me. So just in the corners there, can you guys see that? I'm now going to just go into my eye with a concealer right on the center of my eye. I mean, like, guys, halo looks for me are just so pretty. I feel like they suit me so much. And because I'm trying to figure out this whole eyeshadow thing, I always feel like, you know, they kind of make me feel like a pro because it always comes out. Into my face, and I'm going to use this right here flat brush, and I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette, and I'm going to be using one of these shimmer eyeshadows, and I'm going to go for this one. It's like a coppery color. I like that. It's like such a coppery shimmer eyeshadow, which I think will look great with this eye look. Again, we're trying to just go for nude but neutral.
Lego. Original high. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play.
Foundation, I'm going to be going in with my Rimmel foundation in Lasting Finish Comfort Serum 25-hour last. And the very first one that I got was Warm Honey, which turned out to be very red on my skin. I'm very warm toned, so red kind of doesn't work. Do you see that? So that's the reason why I didn't end up using it. So I went back to Clicks and I got a different one in Almond.
Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me the whole am. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down, man down. Ha, is a man down. Bad man, them see me round. When they say it's bad, nothing, man, I tell them.
That this foundation actually really blends better with a sponge than it does when you use a brush. LA Pro Conceal Concealers in the color GC398 Fawn. I absolutely love these concealers. They're thick enough, they're highlighting, and their products are made for women of color. I haven't tried the LA Girl foundation, but I can't wait to try it out. I think I'm going to buy it month end because, you know, I'm not really built to be buying things mid-month yet. I don't got that kind of dough.
Lego. Original high. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life.
So I'm going to be using my Vault Cosmetics banana powder. Just dip your blender and set. I'm now going to go back into my face using my Velvet Touch powder from Vault Cosmetics. It's really just a contouring powder. I prefer using powder to contour so far because I kind of find it easier to blend, and it just works, man. It works. So it's like a velvet red powder that will just, it brings back life to your face basically. And I'm going to go in with my small little brush that is more tapered, and it makes it so easy to contour as well. So contour for your face always. Oh my god, that's a lot, but it's fine, we'll fix it. I was saying, as my face bakes, I'm going to go in under my eye with that muddy color. It's actually called muddy, so I'm not trying to be funny. And I'm just going to use that to define under my eyes. Use an angled brush and my liquid and my jawliner at the back of my hands. I dip and apply it on my brush, and then that's it. Going with my Full C's Push Up Angel mascara from Maybelline. I love this mascara. I'm going to use it at the bottom of my lashes whilst I wait for my eyelash glue to just sit in. And with I like using an eyeshadow brush whenever I'm putting on my highlighter, and then I will blend it later using my brushes. So I just like to tap it like that. This gives me more of a focused highlight. Focused. Okay, wait, can you guys see anything? Ooh, there you go. So I just like to use that. Put on my setting spray, what I normally do is, and I know I haven't worn my lippy yet, what I normally do is I go in with my Nature's Nourishment Witch Hazel and Rose Water, just so that my makeup gets that, you know, worn look. So I just spritz that. If that, if there are any powders that I haven't like kind of settled into the skin, they kind of just go and do so, and then it gives it like a very set look before I go in and put a setting spray so that it doesn't move at all. But this kind of just gives it that worn look. In the meantime, I'm going to go in with a brown liner, and the brown lip liner that I'm going to be using is the long lasting eye pencil in hot chocolate from Essence. In with one. So far I love these so much. Obviously I haven't worn them for long enough to come with to you guys and say whether or not they last, if I like the last, but the finish is amazing. These are the limited edition powder matte lipsticks from Maybelline, and the color that I'm using today is such a, like, it's a brown, it's a very interesting Cano brown ultra matte color. I love the color. It's so different. It's very cool toned, very out there, and that's why I really want to use this for this look. I literally, this look is awful. Could you look at that? Oh my gosh, I like this. Face using the Maybelline Super Stay Setting Powder 24-hour locking spray. You really have to shake this because it has like white stuff that kind of sits onto your face and it's annoying, like so annoying.
Lego. Original party. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play.
Oh my god. So this is the final look. I don't know, I like the way that it looks. I like the final product, I like the finish, and I actually kind of like the way that I managed to partner these colors together. Like I said, this is very new to me, so I used my Morphe palette and I used the more brown colors because I really wanted to get this coppery, I think you could call this copper, this copper eye look, just that's also very neutral enough to go with my grayish brown lippy. So this is the look that I was going for, and I'm very happy that I managed to get it done. I'm going to be coming to you guys and experimenting more with makeup because I am enjoying using makeup so much more than I was in the past now, and I just want to go on that journey with you guys. So I really hope that you guys will be enjoying the content. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Let me know what brushes you use. Just let me know what makeup stuff is your favorite. You can just list 3 items that you love using in your arsenal and that you can't live without. And also let me know if there are looks that you want me to try out. Yeah, thank you again for watching. Have a beautiful day. I love you so much. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and share with your friends. You know, have a good luck. Love you. Mwah. Don't forget to watch this video right here. It's a tutorial on how I got a version of this look. So I've got a tutorial for you right here. Then just subscribe here. You're already here, right? And you've watched till the end. So just subscribe and watch. Bye.